In this video, I'll show you how you can enable all chat in League of Legends. Now, when you're in the game, what you can simply do is go right here into your interface, scroll down until you find the chat, just right here, and make sure you select everyone. If you have pre-made or same team, you can only see from your pre-made or from your teammates. So make sure you choose everyone, and this means that also the enemies can send you messages. Now, if you want to message them, you can simply hold down your shift button and press enter, or you can type /all and then your message. Now, this message will be sent to the enemy, and if they have it on, like in here, they'll also be able to see your message. So that's basically how you can do it, guys. Now, if you want to mute them, you can simply hold down tab, click on the little icon here from their character, and you can mute the person. You can also do /deafen and mute everything in the game, or /mute and then type the champion. Let's say you're against the Kane, like this, and you'll mute the Kane on the enemy team. So that's how you can do it, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.